quick video showing some ways you can customize your view without too much effort currently. Let me just step forward. So first thing you can do is you can press K and J as keyboard shortcuts. I'm pressing K right now to step forward and J to step back. And the next thing you can do, which is not well documented, is if you press move and hide objects here, if you do that, then what you can do is you can actually drag and drop any object in the visualization. So you can move things around as you see fit. And it will try to do a decent job. I'm going to press J again and go back. It will try to do a decent job to remember where you move things so that when you step a different step, it will kind of keep things in the same place, even though it's not perfect. So I'm just stepping back and forth. Then you can use the slider in the middle to slide back and forth as well. And then another thing you can do is you can press the U and the I key. So U makes the text only in the code portion smaller. I'm pressing U a bunch of times. And I makes that bigger. So I think by doing that, so if you make this really small, you can go like this, right? And then what you can do is you can zoom in. You can use the browser zoom. So I'm using Command Shift plus on my Mac to zoom in. So I'm zoomed in 150% now, or 200% or so, or 150% now. And now this looks really big, right? And this looks pretty small. I think it's the smallest I can do it. So you can kind of see all the code and a bunch of the data structures, and combine that with the move. When I click the move and hide objects, when you have the move on, you can actually move the data structures. Again, it looks kind of messy, but it gives you a little bit more control. And these kind of look janky when you're zoomed in and stuff. But yeah, try playing with the I and the U keys, the slider, the whole browser zoom. I'm just Command Shift minusing to zoom out. That zoom, and then the U and I zooms just the left side, right? I'm pressing I a bunch of times to make this really big. The slider, and then the move and hide objects, where you can move these things. So hopefully it gives a bit finer grain control without too much work. It's not the perfect solution, but hopefully it works decently for now.